This video is to show you how to properly fix when a toilet is running. So, you can hear it, it's running. So the easiest way to do this is take the cover off the tank, and you can take a Phillips head screwdriver, or you can use your hand. I like to use a Phillips head screwdriver. Just do this, turn it. Boom. That's how you fix a running toilet. Flush it just to make sure. Lift this up. It's going to take a little while to fill up. It's a big tank. As you can see the bubbles, so the toilet is running now as it fills up. When it's all filled, that will stop. The noise will stop, just like that. And as you can hear nothing running, that's how you fix the toilet when the toilet is running. Thank you.